In this video, I'll guide you through how to create custom funnel reports in HubSpot. We'll walk through exactly where to click, what each choice means, and how to make sure your report actually helps you understand your pipeline. By the end, you'll know how to build a basic funnel report from scratch using HubSpot's custom report builder. Let's start right inside HubSpot. From your main navigation bar, move to the reporting section. Depending on your account, this may appear as reporting or just reports, but you're looking for the area where all of your analytics and dashboards live. Once you're there, click on Reports. On this page, you'll see any existing reports you've already created or that were shared with you. To create a new one, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the Create Report button. That's your starting point for building anything custom. When you click Create Report, HubSpot will present different ways to build reports. Today, we want full control over what data we use and how it's visualized. To do that, choose the Custom Report Builder option. This is what lets you build a report from scratch rather than relying on a template. The Custom Report Builder is especially useful for funnels because you can pick the exact records and stages you care about and see how they move through your process. Once you're inside the Custom Report Builder, HubSpot will first ask you to select your data sources. This step is important because it defines what type of records your funnel will be based on. You'll see options like contacts, companies, and deals. Think about the story you're trying to tell with your funnel. If your focus is on how individual people move from one life cycle stage to another, choose contacts as your primary object. If you're more interested in account level progression, especially in a B2B environment where multiple contacts belong to one company, then companies might make more sense. And if you're analyzing your sales pipeline from initial opportunity through closed won or lost, deals is typically the right choice. Select the primary object that best matches your goal. It's worth taking a moment here to choose carefully because this will shape the rest of your report. Once you've made your selection, click Next to move into the actual report design. Now you'll be taken to the Report Builder interface where you can choose how your data is visualized. On the left-hand side, there's a panel with different chart types you can use. You'll see options like bar charts, line charts, and others. But for this tutorial, we want to build a funnel. Look for the icon that represents a funnel visualization. It typically looks like a stacked, narrowing shape from top to bottom. Click that funnel icon to switch your report's chart type to a funnel. Selecting the funnel visualization tells HubSpot that you want to see how records progress through a series of stages. After choosing the funnel chart, you'll be able to define which stages to include, how they're ordered, and how conversion rates are calculated. At this point, you've successfully navigated to the reporting area, started a new report, chosen the custom report builder, selected your primary data source, and set the visualization to a funnel. From here, you can fine-tune the filters, add stages, and adjust settings so the funnel reflects your real process. Once you're happy with how it looks, you can save the report and add it to a dashboard to keep an eye on your conversions over time.